So your home is for sale during the holidays. Take advantage of this special time of the year. Watch this video for 7 great tips on how to get it sold. The holiday season from November through January is often considered the worst time of the year to try and sell your home. Holiday buyers tend to be more serious and competition is less fierce with fewer homes in the market. Don't be a Scrooge this season. Get your home sold and celebrate this special time of the year. Here are 7 tips to help you sell your home during the holidays. Tip number 1, deck the halls, but don't go too crazy. Homes often look really festive during the holidays, but sellers should be careful not to overdo it on the decor. Adornments and decorations that are too big or too much can crowd your home and confuse buyers. Also, avoid offending buyers by opting for more general winter decorations rather than items with religious themes. Tip number 2, hire a reliable real estate agent who knows how to work the holidays. That means someone who will work hard for you and won't disappear during Thanksgiving, Christmas, or New Year's. Get a recommendation from your friends and family for an agent that will go above and beyond to get your home sold. This will ease your stress and give you more time to enjoy the season. Tip number 3, seek out motivated buyers. Anyone house hunting during the holidays is doing so because they need to. Work with your agent to target buyers on a deadline, including people relocating for jobs in your area, investors on tax deadlines, and military personnel if you live near a military base. Tip number 4, price it to sell. No matter what time of year, a home that's priced attractively for the market will make buyers feel merry. Rather than gradually making small price reductions, many real estate agents advise sellers to slash their prices before putting a home on the market. Tip number 5, make curb appeal a top priority. When autumn rolls around and the trees start to lose their leaves, maintaining the exterior of your home becomes even more important. Bare trees equal a more exposed home, so touch up the paint, clean the gutters, and spruce up the yard. Keep buyer safety in mind as well by making sure stairs and walkways are free of leaves, snow, and ice. Tip number 6, make sure you have high-quality real estate photos. When the weather outside is frightful, home buyers are likely to start their house hunt from the comfort of their homes by browsing listings on the internet. Make a good first impression by offering lots of flattering, high-quality photos of your home. If possible, have a summer or spring photo of your home available so buyers can see how it looks year-round. Do not post photos from your cell phone or your agent's cell phone. Have professional photos taken. Buyers can tell the difference. Tip number 7, create a video tour for the web. You'll get less foot traffic during the holidays thanks to tougher weather conditions and vacation plans. Shooting a video tour, including drone, and posting it on the web will attract house hunters who don't have time to physically see your home or would rather not drive in a snowstorm. Summit Properties Northwest does this for our brokers for free on every listing we bring to market. Bonus tip number 8, give house hunters a place to escape from the cold. Make your home feel cozy and inviting during the showings by cranking up the heat, playing some soft classical music, and offering homemade holiday treats. When you encourage buyers to spend more time in your home, you also give them more opportunities to admire its best features. And if you can't get your home sold during the holiday season, don't stress out. The spring season is just right around the corner and will give you another great chance to get your home sold. You can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Happy holidays. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know when our next video is out.